Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 2nd, 2023. Here to talk about Nvidia today because the market continually is showing us that it wants to make record highs and it still may be cheap. Now, why would you say such a thing? If the market is making record highs, you hear so many people tell you that you don't want to come in and buy a stock that is trading at all-time highs because inevitably it's going to come down, right? Yes, that's true. But if you still see that the overall market is in there buying up this stock, then obviously they have a different price trajectory than price going down. The market here in Nvidia is still bullish for the most part. Like I already created the trend that this stock is currently on, and it is following this channel, okay, which inevitably will lend the market to continue to go higher. The only way that we will say that Nvidia is not going to go higher is once it breaks this trading channel. Now, I did a price prediction in Nvidia right here on August the 25th, and I told you that the price was weak, but I wasn't drastically weak into the market. Nvidia, the market right there on the next 2 days, 25th as well as on the 28th, came down to our areas of TP. Our first target was around $450. Our second target was right there on $440. As you guys can tell, it didn't hit that yet, right? Now, again, this is where the current price action in the market Nvidia was. So yes, selling is coming into the market in Nvidia right here at the highs of the market. Okay, so what does it mean? It simply means that people kind of still suspect that pricing Nvidia up here at these price targets, $500, is still expensive. Okay, so you have more people here selling out the market because they want to, maybe one, take profit, then two, they may like, yeah, this is too expensive. I can't afford to buy Nvidia at these prices. Here it is on the 3-day chart for Nvidia. The market currently, like I said, is harnessing some weakness. So still be prepared for price to come lower. But it's all of that is into context. I'm not saying that the market's going to run down to 300. Okay. Here it is on the 5. This is another indication that tells us that the market in Nvidia is still pretty bullish. The last 5 days, we did see the price give us an indicator of strength. Take a look at Nvidia on the weekly. This weekly price bar with the high volume told us that price was getting hit with more selling. So if that was the case on this weekly price bar, then why in the world the next week price in Nvidia will close higher? Because there's still demand here. People still see the value of Nvidia stock higher than what the current price is. Now, we don't know where price is going to go. We have no idea where the top is going to be at in Nvidia, which causes you to be a little bit more alert to the price action that occurs on a daily basis. Okay, but yeah, that weekly chart looks pretty good in Nvidia there too. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Take a look at Nvidia on the 3 weeks. Okay, here it is on the 5. See this? Another indicator of strength. Over the last 5 weeks, the selling that came through into the market Nvidia brought the market all the way down to our trend support area, but then the buyers were able to close it up there at the high of the bar. That tells you that the demand is still here in Nvidia. Here it is on the monthly chart. How did the monthly fare out for Nvidia for the month of August? Still bullish. So all in all, this particular stock is still bullish. We're still looking for the price in Nvidia to go higher, right? But my concern is that in the beginning stages, like right now, I don't think that Nvidia is a buy. I don't, because of what occurred over the last 3 days of trading. Its inability to break above $500. It has to go through all of that selling. Those people who are trying to sell their stock right now in Nvidia, the market has to absorb all of that before the resumption to higher prices will continue. Okay, so I'm not going to change my price prediction right now, but on a grand scale, zooming out, we don't see any indicator that the market weakness is currently present in Nvidia. Okay, so even though the market in Nvidia came and hit our first target, it may come back down and hit it again, meaning we're just going to see the market consolidate in Nvidia. We're not going to see too much in terms of a biased direction, i.e. price going up or price going down. So I'm going to allow the market Nvidia to come down a little bit more. And I would say If we see the market in Nvidia come in and grab support and the buyers come in and hold market, I would say right here around 480, that would be a big move that the market is still, I would say, more bullish if we see the buyers hold that 480 on this move to the downside. If it doesn't hold 480, then I would have to look forward to the market in Nvidia holding like 475, 470, no lower than 460. The buyers cannot let the market go no lower than 460, in my opinion, in order for us to continue to see this market go up. So let me leave this alone. We're going to see how the market trades in this upcoming trading week, and we'll get more information to move forward to say, yes, we're going to look for the market Nvidia to continue to go up, or we're going to look for the market to continue to go down and test this lower area of this trend line. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, so if you also subscribe, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.